Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering and connecting the RC600. Plug the correct 9V DC adapter or ensure battery power is full, then connect USB-C to your computer. Once connected, open Boss Tone Studio or the official updater so the device is recognized. You must back up your current loops and presets before updating. Export them to your PC now. Make sure drivers install if prompted, and confirm the pedal displays USB mode. With that done, you're ready to fetch the firmware file. You run the Boss Updater application and choose the firmware file you downloaded. Select your RC600 from the device list. Begin the transfer and watch the progress bar. This is the critical part. Avoid power loss or unplugging. The updater will send the new OS to the pedal and verify integrity. This can take several minutes depending on USB speed. If the updater prompts for a confirmation on the pedal, press the indicated foot switch. Once the tool reports success, let the unit finalize reboot sequences. You power cycle the RC600 and check the system menu to confirm the new firmware version appears. This verifies installation. Once confirmed, restore your saved loops and presets via Boss Tone Studio or copy files back over USB. Test critical functions: record/playback, synchronization, MIDI send/receive, and I/O routing to ensure everything behaves as before. If anything goes wrong, like failure to boot or missing files, rerun the updater, try a different USB cable/port, and restore backup files. Contact support if the unit remains unresponsive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.